beautiful people. How you doing? I'm sorry. I had a hard time getting my phone to move. All right. So let me go in here. Hope you guys having a beautiful day. I want to show you a awesome platform. Basically, this is for any new beginner people that wants to learn more about crypto and about the tokens and just have no idea about, the types of crypto coins that are available. I highly recommend CoinGecko. Reason why, because with CoinGecko, and I'm on the platform now, I am on the app, but you also can look at it from your desktop or your laptop also. But of course, you can download the app on your Android and your Apple device. Okay, so let's get into it. So here you can see where I'm on the tab where it says cryptocurrencies, and you can literally look at the different cryptocurrencies that are available. Keep in mind, available. Okay, so definitely take your time to doing that. That helps you get to learn more about the different cryptocurrencies that you can invest into. All right, so one thing I love about CoinGecko is this: you literally can click, and I'm gonna go on USDT. You can go here on USDT, and you can, like, if you want to know what exchanges, like you want to be able to know how to or start investing in USDT, you can go in here and see what exchanges have USDT, because keep in mind, not all exchanges is going to have this particular cryptocurrency. Okay, so if you go in here, you can see Binance. You can go to Binance Exchange. You got different ones, Kraken. So just keep all that in mind. All right. Coin bit. So yeah. So that's one of the things I absolutely love about CoinGecko is that you can literally see what exchanges has what. Like you can, if you're interested, like Luna. Luna is up, right? By the way, if you see the green arrow, it means it's up. And then if you see a red arrow down, it just means it's that particular cryptocurrency is down. All right. And so here you got Binance, Digfinance, Root Network, Moses, and if I probably jacking these names up, y'all, but yeah, you get the point. KuCoin. So yeah, so that just helps you out. All right. And of course, it lists all the exchanges that is available to your leisure. So I got crypto.com, Binance, and KuCoins and Kraken. So you have time to look at all of that. And then, of course, if you go to portfolio, you can sign up. So when you sign up, you can have your own portfolio where you'll be able to literally keep an eye on the different coins that you are investing in. Okay, cryptocurrencies that you're investing in. Okay, so that's super important. Okay, and what I like about CoinGecko, because it has over 800 crypto currencies or different variety of coins that you can invest in and learn about and keep an eye on. All right, so that's just my tip. I just wanted you to kind of be aware of CoinGecko. It's a good, awesome platform, and it's beginner friendly, and it's also people that is in advance in the crypto world. They highly recommends CoinGecko, and so and I just wanted to recommend it to you. I don't really call myself an expert, but I definitely love using CoinGecko. All right. And so if you have any questions about anything, you can always DM me. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have. And I just wanted to help everyone out. So have a beautiful, awesome day. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.